You're looking at the typical 14-inch Mercedes alloy wheel that was produced for over 15 years and showed up on a number of different models. And I can think way back from when I first started getting into Mercedes-Benz, one of the most common questions I got asked was, how do you paint them? What kind of paint do you use to make them look like the factory wheels? Because most of them look like this right here. They get faded, they get dirty, they get stains from brake pad dust and so on. So we went to work, and you know, there's really three approaches that you can take to getting a wheel to look like this. Now, I just repainted this here a few days ago with the kit that I sell. It took us about 3 months of trying, I think, 25 different silver paints to try to find a paint that was a single step spray can paint that would hold up, not just look good, but actually hold up. And this is the best I found. Now, you could take it into an automotive paint shop and they could use automotive grade paint, urethane paint. That's really the best way to do it, but that's really expensive. Or you could use a base clear coat spray can, which is a little more expensive, a little more time consuming. Now what I've got here is a mint factory wheel that was pulled out of the trunk of one of my cars. This has never been on the road. This is the original factory paint, never been repainted. And you can see how close these are. Now if you look real closely, this one has a little bit deeper shine in it because it's got a base clear coat, okay? So I'm convinced if you just have a daily driver that you want to make look good, the paint kit that I sell is more than adequate. If you want to go a step further and make it look really shiny, you're going to have to get a base clear coat, which you can research on the internet. And like I say, it's more expensive and more time consuming, but it will give you a deeper shine. Or you can take it into an auto body paint shop and have these professionally done, which is really going to hurt your wallet. So if you're interested in learning more about our paint kit, just follow the link in the description below this video.